Hello everybody, I'm Treese. I'm doing like a seafood boil. I did this in the oven in a bag. Earlier, I have a lobster tail, like 3 ounces. Of course, some clusters, some big shrimp, little shrimp. I'm so hungry, but I just thought I'd show my face on my channel. You know who makes me so hungry? Every time I watch her, damn, all these mukbangs with seafood. I had to do one for myself. I won't be on long. My makeup's not done, no hair. Authentic and raw today. I just wanted to show my face on my channel. I'm watching Chris Rock on Netflix. Sorry if it's loud in the background. I just want to say hello.
Jesus, I'm trying to get my life together, man. I'm trying to get a little religion.
I had one of those days where it was just a long day. Long day. And I was like, I need something that's going to make me happy. I just went to Albertsons. Got me some clusters and give me some lobster tails. Give me those big shrimp. This is a shame. I need some B-Love crab legs, honey. I made my own little sauce. I did heat up some butter sticks in a pan, saucepan. I added some onions. I do have onions as well. I did Old Bay seasoning, garlic and herb. I did the regular seasoning Old Bay. I did lemon pepper. I also did Cajun seasoning, a little onion powder, garlic powder. I'm not too big on the raw, garlic. Just leave mine in powder form. But it actually tastes very good. I wanted to do the Smackalicious sauce from B-Love. I was so hungry I couldn't, really do all that. So I just took the easy route. I did it my way. And it tastes great. Excuse me. I'm proud of myself. I'm going to be on my channel more often. I have some big things coming up. I won't look like this next time.
What was I thinking?
I'm waiting on like some equipment. I'm going to be launching a business soon. I'm excited. But I have so much going on in this season of my life. I'm trying to just adjust. Look how big this shrimp is, okay? I need to add an onion to this, right? Oh, and JJ.
Religious extremist is a person that extremely believes in God. You think you believe in God.
And I added, excuse me.
God coming back on Wednesday.
I also added lemon to it.
I got tickets.
I can definitely taste it on this shrimp.
That's right. Religious extremists extremely
Honey, I gotta get to this. These shrimps are so sweet. Hold on. Get a little sauce. Wait, can you see? Hold on. I don't think you guys can see my plate anymore.
So if you believe God's the most powerful being in the universe,
Hello.
why would he need your help? What is that shit? And that's right. There's never nobody helping God out.
Maybe I should try this lobster tail. It's kind of spicy. I added some spice to it as well. Woo. I did add some red rooster a little bit. I added some cayenne pepper. I think it's the Cajun seasoning that's actually kicking it off. Woo. Okay. So not funny. Maybe I should have.
You really have faith. You really have faith. I mean, check this out. I haven't been to church in Now that's believing in God. Shit, you go every
Sorry, I
week,
had
but
to.
you don't trust God.
Take a bite.
Oh, man,
But anyhow, I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to show my face on my channel
the cool thing about
and just say hello.
no matter
Thank you for watching this, clicking this. I appreciate it. I'll have some better content on here soon.
basic
But thank you. Oh, I think I just cut myself. Have a good night. Bye.